So my job is to make the 9 ball and come out and play position for that 8 ball so that I can get on the lowest numbered ball. So where do I want to be on that 8 ball to eventually get on that 1 ball? Now you're going to see a central theme to these particular exercises I'm sharing with you, because it's that first shot that I want you to get. I have noticed in my years of teaching other players and training them, there are some specific shots that come up all the time, and not everybody makes them consistently. So what I've done is I put them as the first shot in any of my drills. Now you can buy all 6 of my drills, because I'm not going to do them all here, all 6 books of them for $50. You just go on my website and order the books, and I'll download them to you. They're downloaded right to you, and then you can go through the 6 books on your own. It would take too long for me to do that here. But so what I'm showing you is the drills. And every one of my drills in all those 6 books, is about 40 drills, the first shot is the key. You got to shoot it. This one I got 5 shots to play position for, so I got to shoot that first shot 5 times. Which is what I want you to do. And I want you to master that first shot. And I want you to master the second shot. And I want you to get on that third one on your terms. Now I've run this pattern off many times and had to change my mind on every other shot. But I worked hard so that my cue ball goes to that specific spot I want it to go to, and that I have the shot that I need. And when I do that, the pattern is very easy. Now that last one, you noticed I was right over here. So I gave it a little more punch. Whew, close. There's a little sneaky technique to make that shot. See, that one I dug in. I worked for that one. I was just thinking about how I was being careful on the other 2, and I had to go around the table. Now, see, I dug in, slammed the ball in the corner, and now I've got a nice shot on the 8. And you know, that bunt is not a gimme. That's not a gimme. There's a technique for that too. And that shot right there is not a gimme. Now when I say they are not a gimme, trust me, those 2 shots that I just shot, the bunt and the one on the 4 ball, have been missed. They should not be missed, but they have been missed because there's a little slight ingredient in that particular shot that you need to be aware of. And if you're not aware of it, you can still make it. But there'll come that time when you'll miss that shot. Whew, thought I missed that one. Okay, I like this. Now, there's a little gimmick. There's a, whoa, there's a little, it's still there, folks, I didn't scratch. There's a little gimmick here, too. I was just coming over to tell you, little gimmick here so you won't scratch. Okay, I just want you to see that I'm not quite inside that side pocket. I've got a little room here. And what I've done, you know, because of those gimmicks, is I've set up patterns for you to run, where the gimmicks are in those patterns. And then once you master the patterns, then you're golden. Whenever I come to the last shot, I always tell my shot, now Tim, play good position. Don't back off and try to make this and keep your run alive. Play good position, take charge here. You're coming to the end. And so I will try to do that on this 8-ball for you. Now the inner game people had me set up that ball a little too close to the rail. So the minute I saw it, you know, I started going a little panic mode. Should I run over there and set it up right? I said, no, this is the shot you have, shoot the shot. And don't let those inner game people talk to you about anything. So what I did is I ignored them and I just shot the shot. I have another gimmick shot here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to be conservative. I could go 3 rails, but I'm going to be conservative. I'm going to put myself over there where that 11 ball will become a slight gimmick shot. Now, when I say gimmick, what I'm saying is that there's a certain stroke you need to use. And oftentimes we don't use the right stroke, so we miss shots like these. I'm aligned. 1, 2, 3.